Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, how are you? This is Muhammad Jabed. Now I am trying to speak about Times English Center. So let's start. Times English Center is a very good platform to learn English. My friends, if you want to speak English, if you want to learn English, you can join with Times English Center. If you want to learn English without grammar, you can take a course from Times English Center. My friends, I couldn't speak English before join with Times English Center. Alhamdulillah, again Alhamdulillah, now I can communicate with people, I can communicate with any person. When I go to market, I can speak English. When I go to a restaurant, I can speak English. When I go to a big shopping mall, also I can speak English, Alhamdulillah. My friends, English is a global language. English is very important in our daily life. So why are you waiting? This is big opportunity for you to learn English. So this is the right time that improve your skill, improve your English, and achieve a new skill. So I suggest you, if you want to speak English, you can join with Times English Center. Times English Center has many teachers. All teachers are very kind, very helpful, very respectful. So see you next video, inshallah. Keep practicing. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.